So I'm walking to the courthouse because the judge denied my protective order, and this woman has passed by my house again. Now the only difference between me going to her job and protesting and her coming to my home is because she's the only one out of the two of us that's committed a criminal offense. She stole a sign off of a doorway. So now I'm going to ask, what is it that I should do? Because she's already proven that she'll stop and do things to the property. So let's see what happens. Yes, sir. I came in here earlier to get a protective order against Heather Halt. The judge denied it. And she just circled around my house again. Now the only difference between me going to her job and protesting and her coming to my home is she stopped at my house and stole something, and there's an open case about that. So,
okay.
So that's.
Did you call dispatch?
No, I called Sergeant Dawson because he.
What did he tell you to do?
No, he hasn't responded yet because it was just a voicemail. He did make contact with me at her job earlier today because I went there to protest, and he suggested that I go talk to the district attorney, bring all the information that I have, but I'm worried because she's already shown that she'll stop at my house and do something. She'll go into the property and she'll rip what she feels she needs to rip off. So, what do I do if she stops again? Because she's circling around.
Dalstein told you to take everything and go over to the DA's office.
Right. But what do I do until then? Because what if something happens though?
I mean, you're here at the courthouse. The DA is right there. Why not just
She's not in today. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Okay.
So that's what I plan on doing then. But being that she's circling,
So what do you plan on doing then?
I was gonna ask, what steps can I take to ensure that my property's protection? I'm sorry?
They can't give you legal advice.
But just to protect the property, because she's already stolen from me once.
Okay.
So, what is it that I can do? Other than do what I just did and, she's shown that she will come around the home again, so I just trying to figure out what's going on in Park County, That's all. Just trying to do the right thing.
Okay.
So.
Well, you're welcome to talk to the clerk.
Thank you, sir.
You don't have to have her served. You can just put it in the mail to her, or you can send it by email, whatever way. But if you're doing it, you have to do it today if the judge is going to consider it today.
Okay, then that's what I'm going to do. So as long as I get it in the mail today, that's okay?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, we're just.
Sorry, I'm new to this and
I totally understand, but the court just needs to be sure that you've given her a copy.
Gotcha.
And when you get her.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Oh, look at the different languages. That's cool.
Is that camera on?
Yes.
You're not allowed to record in the courthouse. That's a judicial state order.
Can you provide me with that order?
I don't have it with me. You have to have a
Is this public accessible building, this area?
Yeah, but you're not allowed to take pictures or record.
First Amendment says that I can record anything.
Okay, go ahead and talk to the clerk. You're not going to finish let me hear me out?
Well, I'm not going to let you trample my First Amendment rights,
I'm not trying
Cooper.
to. That protects you from freedom of speech. There's a judicial order that says you can't record in the courthouse.
I think it's the courtroom,
Okay.
but this is a public
If you
area.
still not let me finish my sentence and you want to argue with me, that's fine.
Okay.
That's your right to do that.
Have you identified yourself?
Right here.
Is that what you tell the judge?
Is that what I tell the judge?
Uh-huh.
No, the judge knows me personally.
So when you're asked to identify yourself in the court of law, is that what you say? It's right here.
No, but I'm not being.
What's your policy on identification? Because you asked me if you could help me.
That has my name on it.
So, but what's your policy? Because I've had interactions with a corporal, a sergeant, and a patrolman, and you're the only one that's acted this way.
It's acted this way?
Yeah, like it's right here. You won't identify yourself.
What I'm trying to tell you is that you're not supposed to record in the courthouse.
Well,
You want to continue to do it, go right ahead.
thank you. Because I'm not breaking any laws.
But you have to have prior authorization authorization to take pictures of these documents?
I do.
But
It's
they're
called the
Make
Constitution.
sure, you'll have other things
So you're gonna identify yourself
filed with the court.
so that
P.Cooper is my name.
badge number.
Okay, now.
3669.
Do you have a business card?
I do. Do you want it?
Yes, please. So Sheriff McGraw, this is the only guy that does not believe in the First Amendment.
I didn't tell you to stop, did I?
You said I couldn't do it.
No, I said you're supposed to have prior
Can I have that?
authorization. Yes, here.
Thank you.
You're supposed to have prior authorization to record in the courthouse.
Sheriff, do you see this?
Your eyes.
He doesn't believe in the Constitution, Sheriff.
I mean, I have her address now, but as things
So,
go on,
out of the 3 encounters that I had with your deputies, that's the only guy that stopped to tell me to stop doing what I'm doing.
Okay. Now, you don't have.
What a disappointment. First Amendment audit, part 3, failed for Cooper.
I do, and you could look at that.
He tried to tell me I couldn't take pictures of public accessible reading materials like this. So, well, I guess they have to fill out an application, the public defenders.
So here's a document open to the public, and it has her address right here.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
Perfect.
I did not think they had AC in this building, but they do. It's very nice. It's probably one of the only buildings besides the Walmart that I've been in with AC. Pretty cool.
Ring the bell. I'm gonna step away from the window.
Oh, I am.
Are you done?
I am done. Thank
Great,
you so
thank you so
much.
much.
Is that it? Do you need me for anything else?
No.
You're
Have a
awesome.
safe day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you for
Oh,
your help.
do you want to stick that in the door first?
What was that? Oh, the bandage.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
We'll do.
Have a wonderful day.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. May I have another protection order, please?
Sure, just a moment.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you, ma'am. What was your name?
You're welcome. Allison?
Allison? What's your title here?
I'm the court judicial assistant.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Also, I don't know how to do this, but the person that I was seeking the protection order from, she keeps circling around my house. Do I just call dispatch?
If you want to inform law enforcement, that's up to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Thank you very
Thanks.
much, ma'am. Deputy Cooper, have a good day. So, I'm going to fill out another one of these because it has already been proven that this lady will stop and vandalize my property. So, you know, all that white privilege stuff, it's going to die. So, you know, there's no room for it in the United States. So, we'll see what happens. Judge Braun, I haven't heard too many good things about him, but Judge Braun was the first guy to not give me a protection order. Even though this lady has come to my house, stolen property from me, and there is an open, active case against her, but he won't protect me. So, we'll see what happens.